Children, next we are going to learn about leaves. The leaf is one of the most important part of the shoot system and it originates from the surface of the stem. It is flat, thin and green in color. Leaves of different plants have different shapes, sizes and colors. Some leaves have even a specific smell. For example, coriander, mint, neem, tulsi, eucalyptus, and tamarind. You can feel the smell of these leaves. Next, parts of a leaf. The parts of the leaves are apex, lamina, midrib, and petiole. Apex. It is the tip of the leaf. Lamina. It is the green, flat surface of the leaves. It is also known as leaf blade. Midrib. The vein that runs along the middle of the lamina is called midrib. Petiole. It is the long, thin stalk that links the leaf blade to the stem. Next, functions of leaf. Leaf prepares food for the plant with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Process of photosynthesis occurs in leaves. Hence, leaves are called food factory or kitchen of plant. When a plant has excess water, it releases some of the water through the tiny pores in the leaves. This process is called transpiration. It gives cooling effect to the plant. Transpiration is also called evaporation of water from plant leaves. Leaves of some plants are edible and rich in nutrients. For example, greens, cabbage, curry leaf, coriander leaf. Children, now we are going to complete this heading. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash grows towards the sunlight. The answer is stem. Question number 2. Leaves originate from the dash. Surface of the stem. Question number 3. Green part of the plant that makes food is called dash. Leaves. Question number 4. Dash gives support to the whole plant. The answer is stem. Question number 5. Water from the soil is absorbed by the dash of the plant. The answer is root.